Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a demo about IBM RPA with IBM Watson Assistant. IBM RPA will read the emails from Outlook. It will talk to Watson to classify the email content, and then we'll try to populate the data into internal web applications. First of all, I would like to show you the two demo email I prepared, some with some Chinese characters for classifications, and then I run the RPA automations here. You try to read the Outlook email and then you extract the table in the web page. You try to read all the email content and then it will talk to the Watson to try to classify the email categories. Now you will see that I log into an internal web applications, try to fill in all the email details, as well as I can attach the email attachment into the email applications, web applications. I fill in the opinions and then I use the classifications to fill in here in the drop-down list. I finished one email. Now IBM RPA will try to read the Outlook again and open another email. This time I showed you about the email content in the web page. You will see that now the customer has submitted another opinion. It's now written in Chinese, and then I will pass the email content to the Watson Assistant, and then Watson Assistant will use the NLP to try to classify into different categories. IBM RPA then try to open the internal application again, fill in all the email data as well as the email attachment. And in this time, after filling the opinions, it read a different code categories that read from the email content from the IBM Watsons. Now IBM RPA can also send back the email to the customers with a customized email content as well as with some category it helps you to recognize by IBM Watsons. So you will see that it's quite easy to do it by IBM RPA, and the Watson Assistant is also easy to configure. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.